You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? It's Dumb and Dumber. Yes, the Dumb and Dumber mini backpack is in the shop, the Mutts Cuts Mobile. It also has that fuzzy texturing to it, glow-in-the-dark headlights, and look at this on the inside here. You'll see little Harry and Lloyd's outfits there with their little suits on. And then don't forget, we got no food, we got no job, our pets' heads are falling off. And there's their little pet right there. There's a little pet on the back strap as well. So you got the mini backpack. There's also the new Dumb and Dumber keychain right here with their tuxes. It's got the little hook right here on the side, a little bag charm. You can go ahead, unzip it. Got a little space on there as well. So you could attach that right there to the Mutts Cuts Mobile. But go ahead and check it out right now. It's in the orange cart below. This is one you're definitely going to add to your collection.